Right, in this tutorial, we're going to look at the quotient law. What does it say? When dividing powers with the same base, we subtract the exponents. When dividing powers with the same base, we subtract the exponents. So this is the quotient law. Right, let's look at question A. We are dividing powers with the same base here. So we just subtract the exponents. So it becomes x to the power 5 minus 2, which is x to the power 3. And then B, again we have powers with the same base. So this is going to be y to the power 2 minus negative 8. And then 2 minus negative 8, that is 2 plus 8. So this y is equal to 2 plus 8, meaning that this is y to the power 10. Then C, we can even start by multiplying the coefficients 3 and 6 and get 18. So we have 18 times a to the power 7 times b to the power 9 over 9 times a to the power 2 times b to the power 3. Right? 9 into 9, 1, 9 into 18, 2. And then now this power and this power have the same base, so we can subtract the exponents here. So we're left with 2, and then times a to the power 7 minus 2, then b to the power 9 minus 3, and then this is 2 times a to the power 5 times b to the power 6. Right, the other thing you could have done here, you could have just said 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 9, 3, then 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 6, 2. You can simplify like that, and then we're going to get the same answer. Then D, 2 to the power 2x plus 3 divided by 2 to the power x minus 4. These are powers with the same base, so we can subtract the exponents. So it's 2 to the power 2x plus 3 minus, be careful, whatever you're subtracting must be in the bracket, x minus 4, right? And then distribute the negative 1. So it becomes 2 to the power 2x plus 3 minus x, and then plus 4. Okay, now we can simplify 2x minus x, 2x minus x, that is x, and then 3 plus 4, that is 7, positive 7. That's the answer there.